which Hermes scarves does Babe wear throughout Feud, Capote versus the Swans? There's 3 scarves that we're going to talk about today, and we have a lot to cover, so let's get into it. Episode 4, she puts this scarf on right here. You can see some of the pattern, which to me looks just like this. In this next clip, we see the corner right there. Very close-up look at that corner. I think we found a match with these 2 round shapes. For a little behind the scenes, I did originally think it was Le Voiture, but she is actually wearing Carrossier by Philippe Ledoux from 1975. Next up, we see her here with the scarf under her head, also in episode 4. A closer look here, and here is our match. One more angle here, matched here. Clearly Babe has a type because she's wearing this scarf, which is also called Carrossier, and it's by Philippe Ledoux. Now let's move into episode 5 where they're at lunch. Here is a zoomed in look at the scarf. This actually made me really nervous because Hermes only started doing these contrast rolled edges recently, so I knew the scarf could not be Hermes. However, I did find the match, and it's this one right here. One more angle just there, and there is our match. Here is the scarf that she's wearing. This is vintage Valentino. We do see her wearing one more scarf here, and this is Carrosserie from the very beginning. And also wanted to include the scene where Babe dresses up as an Hermes pirate, although I don't know what scarf this is.
She wanted to dress up as an Hermes pirate for a lover.
You guys have set me up with a very long list of to-dos, but if you have any more, please let me know.